Hey there, it's Mr. Fusion 360 and you're watching the second part of 𝙈𝙍 hammer using Fusion 360. So the thing is left is to make the handle of this hammer. So turn on sketch, the recent sketch you have made of that 10 mm and 15 mm radius circle. Click on extrude and select the 10 mm radius circle and give it a distance of 70 mm. Now to make the bottom part of the handle like this, I'm giving you a shortcut way. So you don't have to make any new sketches. Click on extrude and select the 10 mm radius circle and select the direction as two sides. Then extend it and make it a distance of 10 mm like this. And also select the 15 mm radius circle, not the 10 mm, sorry, and make it overlap it like this. That would be okay. Press OK. Now again click on extrude. Now select that 10 mm radius circle and again select two sides direction and make it as 5 mm extrude cut. Yes, like this, minus 65 mm and 70 mm, that is 5 mm of distance, 5 mm of distance, and press OK. Now we will add some fillet to it. Fillet on this side to make it smooth and curve, and fillet on this side. Now turn off the sketch and the hammer is completed. Now just we have to add appearance to it like this, so it will look more realistic. So just hit A on your keyboard to activate appearance and so when you hit A on your keyboard, a tab of appearance appears on your right side of the screen. So let's do some trial and error method for our hammer so that it would look like this. I think brass would be okay, so let's try brass. Hit A on your keyboard to have appearance. Select those faces which you wanna add appearance. Let's try at first. So I think for metal brass would be okay. Let's try it. Yes, it's looking good. If we try on all of this, yeah, yes, it's looking good. So it's looking like it has made of pure gold, but it's not. So go to chrome black and select the face and okay. Or just we add something different like silver and platinum. That would be okay, I think. Let's try silver, platinum. Yes, platinum is okay. So select these faces. Let's select these faces. One method is that you select all these and then select the faces that are in brass. Just drag and drop the brass color on the selected faces and it would apply that color. Now here too we have to add brass, as you can see here. Let's try gold in this case. Gold. and let's select these. Type here gold, select these faces, and it's looking good. Now for the bowls, I think silver will be okay, as I also have used it. So that is silver polished. It's looking beautiful as I have made earlier. You can see it. Now just select all these boards for the silver appearance. And here it is. Oops, made a mistake. I'm just skipping the whole appearance of these bowls so that the video wouldn't be much long. So the bowls are done and two things are left. That's it is the handle and the bottom of the handle. So for the handle I'm using wood, like I have used here, and for the rest I will just use that previous color I have used for the whole hammer, platinum. It's not making the much of different the much difference as we are expecting, so just leave this as per its position, and you have created your hammer very easily. And I think we have missed this portion, so let's again select these. Let's try again. It's not selecting perfect faces. Now it's looking perfect. Okay, just leave this alone. I don't think it's gonna happen. Let's try again for the last time. Oh, and it worked. Now just select this and oh, okay, we are done. One more is left, and okay, we are done with this. So you have made your 𝙈𝙍 hammer, and in the next video I'll be making on a topic on how to make time lapses using 𝙈𝙍, which is a slicing software. And don't forget to like and comment and share, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.